So Worldox has no ability to create folders. So you would see a lot of times in Worldox, someone needs to create a folder and store documents. These might be documents that are in different doc types, but we want to put them together because we're preparing something. We just want to see them together. Since they didn't have the ability to create folders, they created something called projects. And here's an example of a project. Right here, a little briefcase, and there's a project where you can add files and remove files. So what we do, because this is a question we often get, is, hey, I'm moving to NetDocuments from Worldox. What are you going to do with my Worldox projects? We will create a folder called Worldox projects, and then we'll just recreate those projects there. So this is the example we were just looking at, and then we'll put all the documents in there. So this document here might be coded, so it's in the lone doc type, but it's also showing up here because it was in the project. So if you have Worldox projects, we will recreate all of those. You might have stopped using them, you might not care about them. So if you don't want your Worldox projects recreated, we don't have to do it, but we do have the ability to do that in a document migration.